Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today's topic is before you judge.
This is a good one because judging people is almost a daily habit.
Yes, sometimes we judge so quickly that we don't even notice it.
We see one small action and suddenly we become life experts.
Exactly. Someone says one strange thing and our mind writes a whole biography.
He is selfish. She is immature. They are showing off.
And sometimes adults do this a lot because we already have strong ideas about how people should behave.
We think people should act like me, think like me, and make decisions like me.
That sounds funny, but it is also true.
We often forget that every person has a story we cannot see.
Someone may be quiet because they are hurt.
Someone may be rude because they are exhausted or under pressure.
Of course, that does not mean bad behavior is always okay.
But it means we can pause before we create a full judgment.
One common place this happens is after parties or family events.
Yes, the car ride after the party can become a full review show.
She said this, he wore that. They acted strange.
Sometimes the party ends, but the commentary begins.
And it can feel harmless, but slowly, the mind becomes trained to measure everyone.
We start looking for faults instead of understanding people.
Judging also feeds the ego in a quiet way.
We think, I would never do that, and suddenly we feel a little superior.
But when the same problem comes to us, life becomes more complicated.
Exactly. We are philosophers when it is not our problem.
From the outside, every situation looks simple.
From the inside, there are emotions, pressure, fear, and history.
So before we judge, we can ask, do I really know the full story?
Or, why did this bother me so much?
That question brings the attention back inside.
And that is where real maturity begins.
Less judgment does not make us weak.
It makes us more peaceful, more present, and more open.
It also gives us room to grow.
Because when we stop pointing at everyone else, we can finally look at ourselves.
Now, let's move into shadowing practice with simple sentences you can repeat out loud.
Listen, speak, and let the meaning become natural.
I do not know the whole story.
I will pause before I judge.
One moment does not define a person.
Everyone is carrying something inside.
I can disagree without looking down on someone.
I do not need to comment on everything.
It is easy to judge from the outside.
Life is harder when it becomes our problem.
I can choose understanding over criticism.
Gossip may feel small, but it shapes the mind.
I will protect my peace by judging less.
Their behavior may have a background I cannot see.
Before I judge them, I will look within.
Maybe this is teaching me something about myself.
Less judgment gives more space for growth.
Well done for completing this lesson.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Just listen again and speak out loud with the rhythm.
The more you repeat, the more natural your English will feel.
And the more you practice this idea, the lighter your mind can become.
Be patient with your English and with yourself.
Come back to this lesson anytime you want to practice calm, thoughtful speaking.
See you in the next lesson.